What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jerzey Elise coming at you with another video, and this video is going to be a hair video. I haven't done one in a minute, so as you can tell from this title, I will be doing a little ponytail, just a little something. But first things first, if this is your first time here, welcome. Hello, I'm your girl Jerzey Elise, and if this isn't your first time here, welcome back. You know how we do on this channel. So before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you get all my notifications on when I do post. So if you're ready to see this hairstyle, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all. So this is the hair. It's the Janet Essential Snatch and Wrap wig. It's in the 32 inches. Y'all, first time having it, only $12.99. But let's go ahead and get into this hair. So my hair is already freshly washed and conditioned, oiled up. It was still a little damp, but I still was going to work with it. So I'm using my Eco Styler gel. I'm not using a lot of gel because I still wanted to show a little of my wave pattern. I want to say curl pattern. I don't know why I say wave, y'all. Curl pattern. So I don't put a lot of gel on there because I want it to flow to seem as if the ponytail is coming naturally out of my hair. So I just put a little bit of gel. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my brush and just brush it down so it's all nice and smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my black hair tie, and I love this hair tie because it stretches out. And I'm just going to make a ponytail. I had it low, but I did move it up a little bit because I didn't want it to be too low. So that's all I'm doing, and I'm using that same ponytail for the rest of the hair that I am going to be putting into it. So now I'm just going to take these other two twists, put them in two different sections, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start putting the gel on. So I'm going to just let y'all watch because I know y'all tired of hearing my voice. So I hope y'all enjoy this.
Todd, can you play that again?
So now that my ponytail has been sleeked down with all my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and take the rest of the hair and do basically a twist, and I'm going to wrap it around. So I have a bun so that the ponytail is secure to something. And now I'm taking that Shiner Jam, and I like to spread it in my hands and just take it and apply it on the top so my hair can be smooth and stay down. Now y'all gonna see I have like a little alfalfa. It won't go down, but I be trying my best. But that is all I'm doing, just taking that Shiner Jam and pressing it down on there. Now what I'm going to do is take this Gots to Be spray, and I just spray a little bit on there so it can just lay, hopefully. And then I put a scarf on. So now we're going to go ahead and get into the front of this head. All I'm doing is just 2-strand twists in the front, and I'm going to go ahead and part it because I want a diagonal, not a middle part, because my forehead already big, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and make a diagonal part so I can go ahead and do these 2-strand twists. Now, if you guys want to see a full video of me doing a 2-strand twist, let me know, because I'm going fast in this video, as y'all can see. But I do go ahead and just take a little of that Eco Styler gel for the first portion, just so I can look very uniform and nice and shiny and clean. And I just go ahead and twist. Now, don't mind the front of my hair. I just took some of my hair out so I can go ahead and lay them edges. So that is all I'm doing, just twisting down so it can be a nice part. And you always want to make sure that you detangle first so that you don't have any nooks, and everything is just very smooth when going down that shaft. So you can go ahead and make sure that your hair is tightly secured so you don't have any flyaways. And I look like a zombie just looking out in space, y'all. Crazy. So yeah, so now I'm going to go all the way down, twist it, and then just take a little bit of that Eco Styler gel and just twist it around the ends of my hair. And then I'm just going to pull that back and then take another rubber band so that it is secured around the puff. And I just generally go around twice if I can, just to make sure that it's secured. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do that to the other side, but I ain't going to bore y'all. So here it goes. So as y'all can see, the edges is laid, honey. But as you can see, I still got some more flyaways. So I'm going to go ahead and take that Shine Jam. Y'all couldn't think real quick. Take that Shine Jam and put it on, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up. Take a blow dryer, let it, put it on like the cool setting, but not too cool, just so it can set. So now we're about to take this off. Let's see how this came out. Bam! Look at them edges, laid. Okay. Ponytail is looking real nice in the back. You can see the waves. If you wanted to wear your hair like that, you could. So now this is the ponytail. It has one clip, one comb in the front, and then the long piece so you can wrap. Now y'all, this is really my first time like putting on like a comb ponytail, so I'm trying. As you can see, I had to adjust it just so it can sit correctly because it was going to be sticking up, and we ain't got time for that. So right now I am going ahead and just adjusting this ponytail, and I'm securing it as best as I can, taking that hair so I can wrap it around and just making sure that it is secure. Now I do want to make you aware that when I was doing this ponytail, I did not use any type of bobby pins to secure the hair. I just made sure that it was wrapped fully around in order for the ponytail to stay, as well as that piece also. So that's all you have to do with this ponytail, y'all. Simple, easy. Like I said, it's a snatch and wrap. So that's what I did, snatch and wrap, but 1 second. So now I'm going to go ahead and take some more Eco Styler gel. As you can see, my little curly hairs on the side. I'm just going to go ahead and twist that around. Make sure they stay a little bit, even though they was looking all wild and whatnot, but they were still cute. So go ahead and twist it down. And then I do take this edge booster because of my flyaways. Just put a little bit on the top of my head just so it can lay down a little bit, even though my alfalfa is still going to show. But y'all, this ponytail was so cute, light, 32 inches. Who I think I am? It's very light. I didn't do anything, didn't wash it, didn't comb it out. It was straight out the pack, and it just was amazing, y'all. See the alfalfa? Yes. But I really like this hairstyle. It was easy, go-to. As you can see, in my hair blends, it looks like it's coming out my head. So that's why I really got it as well, because of my curl pattern. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm probably going to start doing more hair videos, but I hope you enjoy this. But like I always tell y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.